In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of adding a new facility to your system. First, navigate to the Facilities screen using the main menu. Once the screen loads, take a moment to scroll through and review the existing facilities. This step is important to ensure that the facility you are about to create doesn't already exist in the database, helping you maintain clean and accurate records. After you have verified the list, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click the Add New button. On the registration form, start by entering the official name of the facility. Next, click on the Community drop-down list. From here, select the specific community this facility belongs to. This ensures all your assets are properly linked within the system. Now, provide a brief description in the field below to clarify the facility's purpose or location. Once all the information is entered correctly, press the Save button. The system will process the data, and you will see your new facility appear instantly at the top of the list. Your setup is now complete.